always wanted to film something huge, not like an elephant or Greenland, although it would be cool to film something in Greenland, but something that would leave a trace, that would put my name on a... Ew. That sounded awful and egoistic, but you got my point, right? For a long time, I kept chasing this big idea. I've got at least 10 notes app pages filled with concepts. Even started storyboarding a few. Some felt too big for my current skills. Some just weren't that good. So I waited. I hesitated. I convinced myself that this video wasn't worth making. That this day wasn't worth filming. Sometimes we let ideas become monsters. We think every video needs a plot twist, a hero journey, a message so strong it could win an award. But what if the story was already here? What if the story was just showing up, doing something not because it's extraordinary, but because we are? Some of my favorite creators post videos about snowy mornings, about peeling oranges, about walking their dogs. And they hit me. Not because the day was special, but because they noticed it. I think that's where we all start to get it wrong. We're waiting for these epic moments, while all the epic moments quietly happening in the background. So this is me, filming something that is not a big story. It's a small one. Maybe even boring. But it's real. And it's mine. And it's enough. For now. If you're waiting for a perfect story, you'll be waiting forever. So grab your camera, film today. That's where the real stories begin.